friends, hope you're all doing well. Today I have for you the January Boxycharm unboxing. As you know from my last video, I was not super impressed with the December box. I'll actually link that video right there for you so you can view that if you're interested. So I'm really hoping that Boxycharm can redeem themselves for the month of January. From the sneak peeks that I've seen, it's looking good. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the theme for this month is Rock 2018. Obviously they have all the products listed here, which works, and it came with an extra little card, I think, that has some ingredients listed for one of the products, so that's nice, I appreciate that. I always like to know what is in things that I'm putting on my face, so. Alright, so first things first, it just happened to be sitting right on top here. We have, this is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Okay, so this retails for $38. It delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. I've heard some people say they're not a huge fan of this, but I've never tried it myself, and it says it's non-comedogenic, which I really appreciate because my pores get clogged super easy, so I will definitely be wanting to try this. I like that it's an illuminating primer. I tend to gravitate more towards those. My skin can look really dry and cakey if I use too matte of a primer, and it's supposed to fill in pores, so I need both of those things. So I'm all for this. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of take a look and see what it looks like. Squirt a little out here. Okay, so it has like a tint to it. It seems to be kind of like a pale skin color. Let's just see, rub it in. It feels soft. I don't really see the illuminizing in it though. Oh, actually it seems to be like some soft glitter in there. It smells great though. I'm really liking the scent. It's very like light and fresh. Yeah, I think it's just like a little bit of glitter in there maybe. Maybe that's what makes it illuminizing, which I don't think would be good for something that's, you know, going on your face. So, I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. This is full size, so this is, again, $38, so I will get definitely some use out of that. I do like Dr. Brandt products, so I call this a one in my book. We'll see. We'll see once we try it out a little more. Alright, so next we have the Galactic Lip Paint, and this is in the color Demure. So this retails for $23. Let me open it up. Oh wow, I love the packaging. It's like matte plastic or matte acrylic maybe, but it's really cool looking. It's got the awesome kind of like duochrome top. Here's the color, so let's swatch it here and see what it looks like. Oh wow, that felt real creamy. Holy cow, one swipe was awesome coverage. It's super pigmented. Yeah, that's great. So it says that this is the original lipstick formula that is still true to its word. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. That is going to be hard for me to do. I get really dry lips in the winter, so I always have a lip balm on, but I tend to use cream lipsticks, not necessarily matte lip paints or anything like that. But I will follow its directions when I try it out. I'm actually going to be doing a full face using subscription box products soon, so I may have to use this as my lippy. So we'll see, but yeah, not bad. I actually kind of really excited about this. I am going to wait and see if this completely dries down, and then I'll let you know if it's transfer proof or anything like that. Sometimes you don't get the full effect unless I put it on my lips, but I'm really enjoying the lipstick I have on right now, so I'm not doing that. But nice. Alright, on to the next. Okay, so we have the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. So this is in the color Universal Taupe. It says it's a universal transforming shade. It adjusts to your brow color, You apply softer strokes for lighter color, including blonde and silver, or press harder for dark hair, including brown and black. So then it says to finish, lightly brush through brows with a spoolie brush for a natural polished look. Oh, there's an enclosed how-to guide in here, so that's nice. So this retails for $24. It was apparently developed with plastic surgeons. Oh, IT Cosmetics. Yeah, their whole line is developed with plastic surgeons. Interesting. So, brow enhancing, biotin, lecithin, saw palmetto, nettle, green tea antioxidants, grapeseed, vitamins A, B5, C, and E, plus the brow power technology. So, oh, so it comes with the spoolie. That's nice. I enjoy when products give me what I need. Oh, weird. So it's got like kind of like an oval shaped end. So, not bad. Well, we'll have to give it a shot. I have super dark eyebrows naturally. They're basically black. So I'm a little worried that this won't work out for my eyebrows, but we'll give it a shot. Can't hurt, right? The oval end too is kind of throwing me off. I usually use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, so it's, you know, the kind of, you can mimic hair strokes and whatnot. But hey, I'm not gonna knock anything until I try it, so. Alright, so there's only 2 products left. This is the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. Those are what the colors look like. An on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. Featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade, Blushing Glow. They definitely all have shimmer in them. I'm gonna swatch them just to see. Oh, wow. That's buttery. So there's the bronzer. That's a beautiful color. Oh, Lanta. It's a little flaky, but it's so soft. There's the highlighter. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna be in love with these. I can already tell. Now that blush is very coral, but not so much in a bad way. So I'm really excited about this. I am definitely gonna have to try this out. Oh my gosh, and you can see like crazy pigments. Hopefully it picks up real good on a brush, but oh my god, that is intense, and I am all about it. So good job there, Boxycharm. And this retails for $34. So this month's box so far has had a very big value. So let's finish out strong. Last thing we have, the Crown Pro Glam Metals Palette. Those are the colors right there. So this palette retails for $25. It says rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals Eyeshadow Palette. These highly pigmented ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. Alright, well I'm going to swatch one of the colors because why not? I don't want to swatch them all. I'm actually going to do a tutorial, I think, using this in the near future. And at that point I will swatch them all for you and insert with that video. But I'm kind of feeling this orangey color in the middle. It's called a Rebel. So let me swatch that guy. Pretty smooth. They feel pretty soft. Oh wow. That is like a really pretty orangey copper color. I really like that. It showed up really nice. Let's see. Seems like it's gonna blend easy. Doesn't seem like it's gonna give you any problems. Huh. Alright, well just for fun I'm gonna do one more. Let's do Rock On, which is the one right next to Rebel. It's that color right there. Okay, not bad. They all seem like they're gonna blend pretty well, so I'm excited to play around with this a little bit. I've had a couple of Crown brushes, not a lot, but I haven't had anything else besides that from them, so interesting. I mean, if their eyeshadow palettes are nice, then great. You know, I will say for $25 for 9 shades, it seems a little expensive. I can make a nicer palette than that at NYX, like their stores. So, but who knows? Maybe I'll end up really loving it and thinking that the price is totally worth it. All right, my thoughts on this month's Boxycharm. Much, much better than December's. December's was kind of a flop for me. I think there's maybe 1 or 2 things in there that I'll actually use on a regular basis, but pretty much everything else was kind of bleh. This month was way better. I'm definitely going to use that Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. A little iffy on the It Cosmetics brow thing, but we'll see. I'll try it out and see what it looks like. And I'm really excited about this. This is going to be awesome to use. I mean, the formula is just amazing. So that, and obviously I'll try out that Galactic lip paint. That might be awesome too. So way better for January. Way, way, way better. Way to go, Boxycharm. Way to go. Much, much better. You redeemed yourself. I was getting a little worried. I was like, I have one too many subscription boxes. Hopefully Boxycharm isn't the one that I want to start to get rid of. So you redeemed yourself this month. I'm very excited. I'm very happy. I'm going to use all of the products in here, most likely. Well, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this month's Boxycharm. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to keep seeing more of me. And thank you so much. Have a great night. Take care. Bye-bye.